Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It's been a while. I've been working on a lot of projects on the side. This will make only my second MERN stack project for this channel. However, I know I did show some snippets of at least maybe two others, but for a dedicated video, here you go. Originally, I was going to show my Netflix clone that I built a little over 6 months ago. I decided to just build my own idea. So I started off just writing some things down. Really, what I wanted was something really basic. And this is it. It's called Let's Watch. So, so MERN stack, this is so you have your MongoDB, your NoSQL database that stores data in flexible JSON-like documents. It's used for storing users, favorites, and all application data. You have Express.js. That's your web application framework for Node.js. It handles all backend routing, API endpoints, and server logic. You have React.js, your front-end JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It creates all the interactive components and pages users see. And then you have Node.js. It's your JavaScript runtime environment that runs on the server, allowing you to use JavaScript for backend development. I was in the process of making an adjustment with the welcome to, and I thought, no, stop. I like it just the way it is. Let's watch. Here come the bubbles. I wanted to keep this really very basic. My inspiration for making this instead of showing my Netflix clone, I was thinking about the way websites used to look, say back in, I don't know, the late 90s, 2000s. I was going for something like that to a degree. Okay, so I can sign up or I can log in. I'm going to go ahead and sign up. Let's do username. Let's do, how about code, email, code at email.com. Password, I'm going to do did I do that right? Okay, so you can see up here in the top right, it says hello code. I'm going to log out and I'm going to log in. With my main account. I think that's my right password. Okay, now in the upper right hand corner it says hello just, short for me, Justin. I just wanted to show the login, log out, create new user features. This is it, folks. This is Let's Watch. I had a lot of fun making this. So what brings this to life is the TMDB, or the movie database API. Really cool. You just set up an account and you go to settings, go to API, then from there you can use your API key and your .env file in your code. Let's take a look at this here. Schindler's List, wow, it's been a while. Now on each movie and show you'll have a heart, so I can click that and add that to my favorites if I like. What is 12 Angry Men? What? That sounds familiar. I guessed wrong. April 9th of 1959. Was there a remake of this, or is there another movie called 12 Angry Men? Or am I thinking 12 Monkeys? I don't know. And then with some of these films and shows you'll have. It'll show you the genre, and then you can watch a. On the point of. So you can watch a trailer as well. I'll go ahead and add that to my favorites. And let's check out. Ooh, The Godfather. 1972. Wow, that's wild. I didn't realize it was so old. That's awesome. I love this movie. And you have a trailer here as well. You got drama and crime. Almost 3 hours. Let's check out The Godfather Part 2, 1974. I love the artwork here. And you can watch a trailer. I'm not going to show too much for obvious reasons. You know what I'm going to do though? I'm going to add both of those to my favorites, and then let's go ahead and take a look at some TV shows. What is that? Pluribus? Oh, that's new. The most miserable person on earth must save the world from happiness. Drama, sci-fi, and fantasy. Interesting. Okay. Ooh, Stranger Things. Let's scroll here and take a look at some other content. South Park. Popular TV shows. So it's in categories trending this week. Popular TV shows, top rated. Let's take a look at popular TV shows. Oh, you have Law and Order. Let's take a look. Law and Order Special Victims Unit, 1999. Okay. Avatar. Okay, I don't want to show too much, but it's cool. Not every movie, not every TV show is going to have a trailer available to watch on Let's Watch, but you have some. Let's go ahead and search. I remember a show. I used to watch this when I was a kid. It was called Coach. Let me click TV shows. Is it going to have it? Yeah, right here, Coach. There it is. Hayden Fox. That's right. That was the main character. That's cool. February 27th of 1989. That's wild. That's cool. I can do home improvement. Did I spell home improvement wrong? Either way. So video unavailable with that one. So that's kind of cool. I'm going to click that on my favorites. Let's go back to movies. And let's do, you know what? Let's do Commando. Yeah, I remember that. Great movie.
They hunted him down.
That's cool. I'm gonna add that to my favorites. Now that I have some things to my favorites, I can do, oh, you know what? Oops, excuse me. Hot Shots. Enter. Yeah, I love this movie. Great movie. And of course, I can trailer it if I want to. Just skip ahead.
I want to be alone.
Okay. Add that to favorites. Now I'm going to go to favorites, and there's my favorites right there. Hot Shots, Commando, Home Improvement, Godfathers 1 and 2, 12 Angry Men. And if I want to, I can get rid of my favorites if I want as well. So that's it. That's Let's Watch. And the create new user, the login and log out feature works like a charm. If you click on movies, TV shows, or search, it's just going to take you to this screen here. You can sign up or you can just log in, which I'll just go ahead and do that now. I think I did my password wrong. Yeah, I did. Where is my password? Oh, that's what I did wrong. It should work now. Uh, there we go. I've got numerous passwords over here. I apologize for that, but there you go. Create new user, log in and out. It works just fine. You can watch trailers, browse hundreds and hundreds of movies. Before I end the movie, I'm trying to think, or before I end the video, I'm trying to think of another video or movie I can look up. Geez, I'm fumbling movies and videos here. What's a movie to look up? Hmm. What was that movie with Vacancy? Is that what? Yeah. This one here. This movie was wild. Yeah, if you haven't seen Vacancy, I highly recommend it. That was an excellent movie.
This isn't the interstate.
I took a shortcut.
To where?
Anyways, it's really, really good. Really good. It's intense, very suspenseful. All right, well, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and log out. So that's it. That is Let's Watch. It's been a while. It was fun. It was fun showing this project. Okay. I took a quick break. I had to get this project spun up. It was taking me quite a while. I was going to end it with Let's Watch, but I want to show this one. This one is really old. This one is over a year old now. And silly me, I was looking at my GitHub, and right away I noticed, what was I thinking? The package lock.json, the node modules, and get this, even the .env file was on GitHub. So I had to go in there, remove all that, and then of course I had to connect to Postgres so I could spin this up. This is a employee tracker application. It's a command line tool for managing employee databases. But first, let me explain a little bit why I chose Postgres for this project by comparing it to MongoDB. So let's just call this the PostgreSQL versus MongoDB. The key differences. And PostgreSQL it's a relational database that uses SQL, or structured query language. The data is organized in tables with rows and columns similar to spreadsheets. It enforces strict schemas. You define exactly what data goes in each column. It's perfect for structured data with clear relationships between entities. It uses ACID compliance for guaranteed data integrity and consistency. It's great for it's great for complex queries involving multiple tables with uh, join operations. Examples: employee records, financial data, inventory systems, stuff like that. MongoDB is a NoSQL document database. Data is stored as flexible JSON-like documents, or like a BSON format. Schema-less documents in the same collection can have different fields. It's perfect for rapidly changing or unstructured data. It excels really well at horizontal scaling across multiple servers. And it's great for high volume, real time applications like social media feeds, uh, or content management, right? Uh, User profiles with varying attributes, product catalogs, logs, and analytics. So, so with Postgres, when your data has clear relationships, employees belong to departments, orders belong to customers. Let's say you need data integrity guarantees. Uh, what's a good example? Financial transactions, healthcare records. There's another one. You are doing complex reporting with multiple table joins. Your schema is well defined and stable. MongoDB, your data is structured, your structure is flexible or is evolving. You are building real-time applications with high write volumes. You need to scale horizontally across many servers easily. Let's say you're working with hierarchical or nested data that fits naturally in documents. You're prioritize you are prioritizing development speed and schema flexibility. So why did I choose Postgres for this project? For the employee tracker application, Postgres was the clear choice because the clear relationships. You have employees belonging to roles, roles belonging to departments. These are natural relational connections. The data integrity, for example, here, I need to ensure that every employee has a valid role and every role belongs to an existing department. And PostgreSQL's foreign key constraints guarantee this. Oh my gosh, it took me so long to grasp the differentiation. And I will tell you, I'm still learning. So if I fumbled a little bit there, I apologize. I'm looking at notes here. I've got notes over here, notes over here. Um, what else? What else can I cover with Postgres? It's structured data, employee information. It's structured. It's highly structured. Every employee has a first name, last name, role, salary, managers, so on and so on, right? Complex queries. So when viewing employees, you need to join across three tables: employees, roles, and departments, right? So it's very organized, it's very structured. It shows complete information. PostgreSQL excels at this, man. It's really, really good at it. So let's go ahead. I'm blabbing. Let's go ahead. Hopefully this doesn't break. I already clicked on this. It says employee manager. What would you like to do? View all roles. Querying roles. You have ID, title, department, and salary. What do we have here? Software engineer, sales lead, accountant. Okay, let's go ahead and do view all employees. So we've got first and last name. We have here John Doe. He's a software engineer, department engineering, salary 85,000. No manager though. Hey John, you know what? You can just do what you want, right? You've got you have Josh. His last name is Loves Hot Soup. um, what? Tom Allen. I misspelled. That was supposed to be Tim Allen. Oh well. This is a very old one. Let's go to view all departments. Okay, so we've got engineering, sales, finance, legal, video games, and code makers. Let's do, so I can add, I wonder, so what would you like to do? Add department. What is the name of the department? Let's do my YouTube video. What would you like to do? Added my YouTube video to departments. I want to view all departments. Okay, there it is at the bottom, my YouTube video. Awesome. Can I add employee? Let's do, let's watch. What is the employee's last name? Uh, uh, MongoDB. Okay. What is the employee's role? Well, this person I would say is going to have to be a software engineer. Let's go with that. Who is the employee's manager? Well, I can tell you right now, it's going to have to be Josh Loves Hot Soup. Okay, so there we go. So now I'm going to view all roles, master managers, typer, custodian. It's kind of fun. What else? Oh, I can add a role. Let's add a role. What should we do? Let's add movie watcher. What a role. What is the salary of this role? Go. Which department does this role belong to? You know, if you're watching movies, we'll throw you in the video games department. Let's see, we'll go to view all departments. You have engineering, sales, finance, legal, video games, code makers, my YouTube video. Let's go to view all roles. Movie watcher, there it is, number 8 in the video games department, making a lot of money. All right, so there it is. I'm going to go ahead and exit. And what would you like to do? Exit. Goodbye. All right, that's it. Going to clear. And that is it. I'm going to say this. Thank you very much for stopping by. This video went on a lot longer than I wanted it to. By the way, that was not a full Pern stack video. So let me just talk real briefly, and then I'm gonna be out. So this project is the employee tracker project is it's a command line application, right? It's not a full-on web application. It uses Postgres. So yes, I used Postgres for my data storage. Node.js, yes. I ran JavaScript on the server, inquirer.js, but there's no Express, okay? So I don't need a web server because there's no browser-based front end. So, but anyways, that's enough of that. Thank you very much for stopping by, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.